to Mind Mastery. This is Philip Chalin. After posting my first video, some of my friends were asking me the meaning of Mind Mastery. Mind Mastery is the art or the science or what we can call the technique of controlling your mind. Why is it necessary to control your mind? Because the success or failure of a person depends on the person's mindset. If he does not know, if a person doesn't know how to control his mind, he may fail in his life. So, this is just like, suppose you are using any electronic device, you are purchasing in the box or in that cover, you will get a manual. What is the purpose of that manual? The manual will definitely help you to say, it will teach you how the machine or how that machinery is to be operated. So the operational manual it will make you to understand how it is functioning properly, and after knowing that, if you operate the device, it becomes quite easy for you to operate and it works well. Otherwise it may not function very well or it may not function properly. Similarly, we do have a manual, the manual of the mind, but nobody knows how it is, where it is, how mind works, because no school or the college didn't teach us how the mind is working. Why the school is not teaching, why the colleges are not teaching about mind? Because it cannot be proved scientifically, and therefore the knowledge about mind is very little. See friends, the purpose of my channel is therefore to make you understand the concepts of mind, so that you will understand how does your mind work. Okay, so mind is not a real structure. What is mind then? It's a virtual reality. You cannot understand it so easily because it cannot be caught on a screen or somewhere. And the fact is that if your thoughts are under the control of your mind, then it is very difficult for you to take decisions. Whereas if you are controlling your thoughts, naturally you can become a hero from zero. So once a person identifies his abilities, and if you know how to control his mind, he can achieve great results in his life. See, basically there are two parts for the mind. There is conscious mind and the other mind is subconscious mind. In my next episode, definitely I am going to talk about this topic, the differentiation or the kinds of mind. The conscious mind and the subconscious mind is doing different jobs. The conscious mind works only when you are not sleeping. When you are keeping awakened, the conscious mind is working, whereas the subconscious mind is working for 24 hours. And a lot of functions, I should say, as Albert Einstein said, the conscious mind is working only 10% of your total day-to-day life activities. The 90% of your thoughts are controlled by the subconscious mind. There are a lot of things, a lot of interesting things are there to know about the functioning of the mind. I must tell you, do you know, when a child is born, there is no mind for that child. The mind develops from 0 age, as soon as it takes birth, from that time to almost 8 or 9 years of the age, the mind develops, right? So don't confuse the mind with the brain. It is entirely different. The conscious mind is under the control of the brain and its system. Okay, So if you want to have more all the tips and the details, the guidelines, how our mind is working, so that you can have a beautiful future, bright career in your life. Please watch my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.